Die Handelszwerge are great explorers. Join them on their travel, discover new cities and face challenging races. Die Handelszwerge is a simple and exciting family game for up to 4 players. Enjoy the game and easily learn more about our fantastic world. The game rules are kept short and simple. All you have to know to play this game fits on a single playing card, so don't worry about studying rules. Up to 4 players can play the game. Each player starts in his hometown, either in New York, London, Berlin or Athens. A selected referee hands out 4 mission cards to each player. Displayed cities on the mission cards have to be visited. The other 11 cities on each route are optional. To reach a city, players must roll the exact number to arrive. In each city, the players can pick up typical goods with a specific value. Some cities are on multiple routes, so it might happen that there are no goods left upon arrival. During the flight, the weather is important. Players landing on the sun can roll the dice again. In case of rain or snow, the players have to wait for 1 turn. In case of a storm, the player has to wait 2 turns. The first plane which returns to its origin gets a bonus of $10,000. After all airplanes reach their origin, the collected points are totaled up. The player with most points is the winner.